Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khobor bamta kasngi. Bernard Marang uwi nagi kartong nakasang BJP ubanyakun election MLA nakasautura ubanyakun persya ayu menturang ba aga jelaw Conrad Kisangma ubadairu national president kasang NPP banyakun lang nakaju kajaka. Kajingi kun persya Bernard Marang yu Conrad Kisangma kalong namar kajingjur pelat ki kampom la aban penhun ya ki ba. Conrad ula pelong langnya ya ki ba bagi don ki kampen roy hendrai usyukor ya ki ba namar kaseng NPP baka sorkar MDA kalong gum ka karkhana shna pisa ya tu Bernard Marang. Kajingya kun jeng Bernard Marang kalong banyo jengjob jeng kaseng BJP basun syar. Namar kajingne jeng Conrad Kisangma bat ki nongbun kapelong ya ki ba banya e kaseng NPP haga ba uru ula kershanting e ban penjob ya haga election hajar khat praya tu Bernard Marang. Bernard Marang ukmi lenti baka BJP kanyo khat samsi na rilum garo.
Now everybody listens. Now everybody knows the clear picture. After I was arrested, things have become different. Very clear. Before I was arrested, yes, Conrad was at the top, higher ground. But God is with us. No matter how much he tried to suppress the truth, truth has prevailed. Yes, and our central leaders knows who is doing what. The corruption in the state, the corruption on the ground, all the reports have already reached the central leaders. And that is the very reason why I have been chosen to contest against the Chief Minister. When we talk about ILP, it will all depend on the demands of the people, the public. Yeah, whether they want ILP or not. People have not voiced out actually. It is only the NGOs which is raising this issue. Yes, if people really want a system, which we also feel that yes, there should be a system now. Because yes, I being from Garo Hills, we are the victims here. We are the victims of the influx.
Yes.
So we want a system. Personally, I would say that my opinion. We want a system which would check influx.
To be in place.
Yes, and we need to have a cut-off year. Cut-off year. That depends on the public. Like we should get people's mandate also, no?
Yeah.
We should be the cut-off year to manage things. Today, being a 6th scheduled area, we are at threat. We are at threat. So we want these things to be balanced, and definitely BJP is going to do it. Yes.
Okay.
This government or this government under the leadership of Chief Minister.
Chief Minister.
Yes. It has become a money-making industry, money-making company. Whereas BJP is more focused on giving to uplift, to develop. But NPP has taken advantage of that generosity of our central leaders. And today, you'll be surprised that even the old age pension, 500 rupees, which our aged people are getting, pensioners are getting, even that has went missing. The Kisan card, our Honorable Prime Minister has promised to give 6,000 per year to all the Kisan card holders. After 3 years, none of the beneficiaries have got even a single rupees. Some people have told me that even the Kisan card that is being provided by the state is duplicate. So we can, if you want to know, even the disabled schemes, the widow schemes, all went missing. So this is where we are at this juncture. So yes, people are claiming that South Tura is the Chief Minister's seat. I would ask, why the Chief Minister's seat is still underdeveloped? Why the people are deprived? Today we are paying tax, indirect tax through electricity, through tax imposed on us by the municipality, and this tax has become, it goes to the government and it becomes a scheme. So when it comes down as a scheme, it goes only to the NPPs, like the CGI seats.
Right.
It is being distributed only to the NPP people, beneficiaries. No, they don't even have a list. The names are being listed out by the workers. Officially, there is no list. The housing department has no role in distributing the CGI seats. It is the NPP people who are listing out their workers, and from each family, 2-3 of the people are getting the CGI seats.
From the same family.
Yes, from the same family, whereas the others, the actual poor, the actual beneficiaries, they're deprived. How can this be? It should, if they are giving the schemes only to the NPPs, then they should take tax only from the NPPs. Why the other people should pay? Take a decision every 5 years. So all the corrupt leaders who have been before us,
The time has come.
yeah, they have been voted out, and a new leader comes in. So this is high time for a new leader to come in.
This is a
And
good time.
yes, and I assure you, once BJP comes to power, the corruption in the state will be eliminated.
So this is the turning point.
This is a turning point. From here, people will see what it means to say good governance. We have been victim of bad governance, bad politics. But politics has a good side,
Good side.
which thinks about the people, which thinks about the society. Today we have been victim of the bad politics. Being a victim, I know to what extent they can go to. But God is with us. The good thing in BJP is that be it me or be it our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji or our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, whoever we are, in whatever faith we are,
Capacity.
we believe in God. That godliness is with us. That's why we want to work for the people, to uplift the people. That is missing in other political parties. See, that is always there when a new political party is emerging and trying to bring in good things. There is always a political play against the oppositions. So when Congress came to Meghalaya for the first time, those days regional parties have already, they have propagated against the Congress party that if Congress party comes, people will have to put this sindoor, they'll have to wear these saris, the Christians will be made Hindus. So that apprehension was there. But ultimately, it's just a political thing. Yeah, to suppress the mindset of the people, to see the bigger picture with the political party like ours, BJP is trying to do for the poor. Because most of these parties which are actually raising these issues are the actual parties which have actually imbalanced Garo Hills. Today, the Garo population is going down. Others population is coming up. It's all because of the ignorance or their the steps taken by them to, be in power, bringing people from outside, making them a vote bank. They are dual voters. Why they could not check on that? Why there was influx?
Not an influence.
Yes, today we, as tribals, today we have to fight for our own rights in our own land.
Survival.
Yeah, for the survival of the tribals. So this is the political conspiracy against other political party which is emerging, doing good things for the society, for the poor. And I'm a Christian. And most of the candidates in Meghalaya are Christians. So we are the people who are going to defend the church and our own tribe from any atrocity if it ever happens. So we can assure that there is nothing to fear. This is all political propaganda against BJP. Actually, the people have already, decided. Like in Garo, in Tura, South Tura, especially, it's only one time. One time, because people observe, people re-evaluate, and in the progress report of our central leaders, be it Narendra Modi or Amit Shah ji, our CM has actually not performed as expected.
That's not good.
Same with the people of Tura,
South Tura.
South Tura, because being a constituency of Chief Minister, we had very high expectation, I myself have voted for CM. I have campaigned for him.
In the last election?
Yeah, in the last election. He wouldn't have won if we did not support him. Because he couldn't even answer or explain to the public regarding the reservation policy and the work permit for the Bangladeshis. So I was the one who made the video in the YouTube, and I uploaded in the YouTube and explained everything to the public. That's how he has actually won. So people are very sad. People have been deprived. Today in South Tura, you'll still find places which doesn't have road, no electricity, no water. And when we talk about employment, the youths, none of them have actually got a new job during this term. So in terms of other unemployed youths who are supposed to get loans, they have been deprived. So our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched so many schemes for the young, the old, the widows, for everyone. But here you'll find that the beneficiaries, their names are coming out. Their names are coming out for the low-cost houses, which is PMAY, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, low-cost houses. Only the name is coming out. They're not getting the fund, they're not getting the money. When we talk about the individual household latrines, their names are coming out in the beneficiary list, but only the photographs are being taken. No scheme is being given to them. No latrine is coming up. So when we talk about the Tura water supply scheme, more than 30 crores, they have extended or they have taken over most of the water connection that is actually maintained by the district council. But after it is taken over by the state departments, still there are so many areas where they are not getting sufficient water. That's the basic question. That's the basic question, and that's what I was always filing RTI against. I, being a Karyakata of the party, of the BJP, we are against corruption. And NPP, being our coalition partner, we have been telling them not to indulge in corruption. So that the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister to uplift the poor, to give water, to give schemes, to help the youths through loans or through any possible ways, it has never materialized in
To extend in government.
Yeah, in Garo Hills, particularly in South Tura, which is a constituency of our Chief Minister.